Coughing after a car accident can seem harmless, but sometimes it may signal irritation or an injury that shouldn't be ignored. If your airbag's deployed, dust and chemicals released during deployment can irritate your throat and airways, causing temporary coughing. A crash can create dust, smoke, or other airborne particles that irritate your lungs, especially inside an enclosed vehicle. During a collision, the seatbelt can place significant pressure across your chest, potentially causing soreness or discomfort when coughing. A strong impact can injure the chest or lungs. Coughing combined with chest pain or breathing problems needs medical attention. Seek urgent medical care if you have difficulty breathing, severe chest pain, dizziness, coughing up blood, or worsening symptoms. Even when you initially feel fine, some injuries may become noticeable later. Pay attention to symptoms after any significant collision. If coughing continues after the accident, tell a parent or guardian and get evaluated by a healthcare professional. A cough may simply come from airway irritation, but after a crash, it's important to consider more serious causes. If this information helped, like the video, subscribe for more safety and health information, and share it with someone who needs it.